Good morning, everyone! This is your teacher Sam and welcome to our virtual class. Watch closely and listen carefully to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we are going to review our lessons from Week 7, Week 8, and Week 9. We have learned the essential factors that affects the life and growth of animals. First, we have food, air, water, and habitat. Animals need food to grow, move, and function. Animals need water in order to live because water is the main component of their bodies. All animals need air to breathe. An animal will die if it does not have air. Habitat is the place where the animals live. All animals need places to live that gives them warmth and safety from enemies. 3 types of animals based on their food. Herbivores. Herbivores. These are the animals that eat plants. Only plants. They eat fruits, vegetables, and seeds. For example, rabbit. A rabbit eats morning glory. A cow. A cow eats grass. An elephant. An elephant eats sugar cane. These are the examples of herbivores. Now please practice it. Say the word herbivores. One more time, herbivores. Very good. Carnivores. Carnivores. These are animals that only eat meat. They don't eat vegetables or plants. For example, a tiger. A tiger eats a deer. A hawk. A hawk eats a bird. A snake. A snake eats a frog. Now let's practice the word. Carnivore. Carnivores. Say the word carnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores. These are the animals that eat both plants and meat, meaning they can eat vegetables, fruits, and meat as well. Examples. A dog. A dog eats rice and meat. A cat. A cat eats rice and fish. A chicken. A chicken eats raw rice or seeds and worms. Now let's practice the word omnivores. Omnivores. Say the word omnivores. Perfect! Types of animals based on their habitat. All animals such as birds, deers, cats, dogs, snakes, butterflies, and other insects that lives on the ground or on the land are called terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. Let's practice the word terrestrial animals. Let's make it faster. Terrestrial animals. Meaning they live on the land. Animals that lives in the water such as shark, crabs, jellyfish, shrimps are called water animals. Responses to stimuli. Types of stimuli that makes animals respond. These are light, water, touch, and temperature. Response to light. For example, insects fly towards the light. The stimuli here is the light. Response to water or moisture. An earthworm moves towards moisture. Response to temperature. So we have two temperatures. We have hot and cold temperature. First, we have hot. Look at the water buffalo. It stays cool by staying in the pond. For the cold weather or cold temperature, we have teal birds migrates from Siberia to Thailand. So they transfer from a cold temperature place to a warmer temperature place. And lastly, we have response to touch. Look at the picture. We have here a millipede. A millipede curls itself when touched. Animal adaptation. How does animal adapt to its environment? Due to their adaptations, animals have characteristics and behaviors that are consistent with their habitats. These adaptations help them avoid being eaten by predators. They are animals that primarily obtains food by killing other animals. They are generally carnivores. Look at the picture. We have here lion and crocodile. Both of them are predators. There are two types of animal adaptation. First is temporary adaptation. This is a sudden change to adapt in its surroundings. A house lizard. It changes its color to match the wall it lives on. Second is permanent adaptation. It is a permanent change that develops in response to permanent change in environment. Obeticus. This is also known as a walking stick. This stays still and it looks like a tree branch. Benefits of animals. Animals can be classified into two. We have wild animals and pets or domestic animals. Domesticated animals. From the word domestic. When you say domestic animals, these are the animals that live alongside humans, like cats, dogs, and cows. These are the benefits of animals. We have food. Animals provide food. Animals provide labor, especially when working in a farm. Animals provide materials in making clothes, bags, shoes. Entertainment. Animals also gives us company, such as our pets, dogs, cats, rabbits, birds, and fish. Animals also provide transportation. They help us to move from places to places. And lastly, they provide medicine, such as snakes and scorpions. How to take care of animals, pets, and wild animals. Pets. These are domestic or tamed animals kept for companionship at home, such as dogs, cats, fish, birds, and many more. How to take care of pets. First, provide proper habitat or give them a comfortable place to live. Second, feed them proper food. Third, take care of them when they are sick. And lastly, show them love and mercy and do not hurt them. Proper habitats for pets. First picture we have here is a pen. Pen. This is where the ducks and geese are supposed to live. Second, we have here is a cage. Cage. This is where the birds should live. Third is a pond. Pond. You can find fish and shrimps in the pond. We also have stall. Stall. This is the proper habitat for cows, horses, and goats. And lastly, we have here a coop. Coop. This is the proper habitat for a rooster or chickens. Now that we have covered everything from our Unit 3, Animal Life, there's no homework for today, but you are going to answer the quiz. This is our quiz number 2 for our IEP Science. I will send you the link. The quiz only has 10 items, so I'm hoping that you will perfect this quiz. If you listen carefully, it's very easy for you. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time learning with me today, and see you again to our next class. Goodbye!